If you do not know, I'm a video marketing coach that I host a 7-day amazing video challenge that helps anyone and any entrepreneurs to create 7 videos in a week through my challenge. So this is what I'm constantly doing before I host the challenge. I'll be sending out emails to my subscribers to remind them about this challenge, and we usually have a closing date for this specific challenge. So this round, I actually wanted to test it out, and it is working for me. I kind of use ChatGPT to check my email content that I've written and ask ChatGPT for suggestions on how I can improve the open rate as well as the click-through rate. So this was an old emails of mine that I tell people about. It is going to end in 48 hours for this amazing video challenge. So if let's say you're interested, you can check it out at www.amazingchallenge.us down here. So what I'm going to do today and demonstrate to you guys, this is the usage that I can use with ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy paste my current content. All right, the current emails that I'm having, I have not improved it. I actually tell people what kind of things that they are getting when they join now. I separated into few different points like prizes, unlimited questions, and guidance and mentorship, followed by a testimonial. This is a testimonial video. All right, so I'm just going to throw to my ChatGPT. So this is a ChatGPT that it is actually a ChatGPT 4.0 version, but I write GPTs myself so they can actually writing in my style. So I'm just going to paste it right now. So once I paste the content, I'm just going to give a prompt to ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, can you I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to pretend that they are email marketing expert. As an email marketing expert, can you help me to improve the content of this email to improve the open rate, click-through rate, and sign-ups? Thanks. All right, so I'm just going to copy paste the content and I'm giving the prompt that, hey, you know what? I need your help to help me to improve the content. So let us just scroll to the bottom and see what it says. So right now it's still writing. So let us check. So now it has started writing and it actually gave me a revised version. All right. So it suggests me a subject title as well as a preview text and help me to break into the point form. So this, let's check what's my initial point. My initial point is just, there wasn't a point form, but I just tell people that, hey, it's my last chance to grab the $7 promotion instead of $17. And these are the advantages of joining the challenge, but I didn't write in point form. So what ChatGPT is suggesting me right now is to actually write in point form. All right, so that's easy to read. And also, it gives me to write it, it breaks down in a very easy, in an easier checking out method. So in this version, it says that why they improved the email. They streamlined the introduction, they highlighted the benefit and call to actions, and motivational closing and subject and preview text optimization. However, I still feel like this is still very similar to what I had because I actually prefer I have the emojis in the front in terms of separating the content. All right, so I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to improve again. Can you further improve? How about the testimonial side? Is it better written or any other ways to improve the click-through rate? So this is a prompt that I'm going to give ChatGPT. I'm asking them to improve the testimonial sites because I realized that I put in testimonials, but ChatGPT, this is my testimonials, but ChatGPT doesn't seem to actually input that. So I want to know their input. So now let's see what ChatGPT is suggesting to me. So ChatGPT is suggesting to me that because previously I gave ChatGPT about top 10 testimonials that I received in the previous chats before I started this video. So that's why ChatGPT asking me to kind of like input the revised testimonial integration. So that actually helps me to write. And I really like how easy it is to, in writing, and give me the emojis and says that they can actually watch other challenges testimonial. So they also give me additional tips to enhance the testimonial effectiveness, which include images, include video testimonials, and highlight the words of transformation words including like transform, because I actually help my audience just transform from 0 videos to 7 videos in terms of video confidence and having fun, and highly recommend. So I think that's great. And clear call to actions, and also place testimonial closer to the top, because right now I'm actually placing a testimonial close at the bottom, and I just included a video testimonial, and that's why the earlier chats that I had with ChatGPT actually suggested me to put the wording testimonial, which I have never really thought of, and give more social proof. So I really like the advice that ChatGPT is giving me so far. I'm just going to show you guys a complete version of what ChatGPT suggested to me and my final products after improving it multiple times of asking ChatGPT for his or her advice. There was one prompt that I gave in the middle. I said, can you give me emojis for this hater that I'm giving, like I'm putting like what are the benefits? I wanted to have emojis, and ChatGPT kind of like suggested me great emojis that I can put in my emails. So these are the back and forth chatting I have with ChatGPT. Another prompt that I find useful is that I asked ChatGPT to pretend that they are the email marketing expert, and kind of like suggest me the top 5 subject titles as well as the preview text. So let me show you guys the output. So this is my initial version before asking ChatGPT to improve, and let me check it out for the improved version. So let's go to page 1. It will be 72 hours, and this is the improved version with ChatGPT. So in this improved version, ChatGPT asked me to, I don't think it's this, sorry. Let me see. It should be ends with 48 hours. All right, so this email is the one that I've been chatting with ChatGPT to improve the version. ChatGPT asked me to put in the point form, which I put, but I prefer, instead of point form, I prefer in the emoji style. That's where I've written. And this is the emojis that ChatGPT helped me to change it, and ChatGPT suggested me to kind of like bold the benefits so that it's clearly separated with the description. So that's why it is bolding that is accountability and support, that is a guidance and mentorship daily for 7 days, and that is prizes to win and value up to $200, and that is pre-challenge video training. So all this, I am kind of lazy to find out the emojis my own, and ChatGPT suggested to me, which is awesome. And ChatGPT asked me to put the testimonials in written format other than just the video format I'm putting. So that's why I actually included these 3 suggestions from ChatGPT. All right, and then after that, ChatGPT in the middle of my chats asked me to kind of like improve the urgency as well as the money back guarantee to make it like a risk-free, right? So that's the reason why I'm including the 30-day money back guarantee over here, and asked me to be saying one more time about the call to action. That's how I get this version. So other than this version, I also use ChatGPT to improve another version, which is ending in 24 hours. So in this version, I asked ChatGPT to be really straightforward. So ChatGPT asked me to kind of like input this call to action lastly, but also mention the urgency promos ends in 24 hours, which is very important, and also mention about the 30-day money back guarantee. So another email, let me see. I think it's the last 3 hours to join. Yeah, so for the last 3 hours to join, initially my version was really short. I just mentioned that, hey, it is the last 3 hours to join the amazing video challenge, would be keen, or if you're not, tell me what you think. But after I throw this version to ChatGPT asked me this. Asked me to reinforce the testimonials, which you guys saw it just now, and asked me to constantly mention about the call to action and mention about the price. Initially, I just says that click here to join now for $7, but ChatGPT mentioned that you must have some urgency to tell them that what they are missing out, the FOMO effect. So that's the reason why I input the before the price increases to $7. And then ChatGPT also asked me to remind about the risk-free and the 30-day money-back guarantee and risk-free. So that's the reason why I'm putting it. And ChatGPT suggested me that I should actually include the call to action that is so obvious. So that's why I'm putting this button. So overall, through this exercise, I want to say that I'm really impressed, and I'm shocked that I didn't use this method in order to improve my email copy in the past. So this is what I found. I've been using ChatGPT in writing my newsletter as well as my sales letter. And previously, I rely 100%, almost, I wouldn't say 100%, I would say about 80% of the time in relying ChatGPT to write just like me. That's the reason why I created this GPT's version, right? Like June, I kind of like train this ChatGPT. What is my style? My style is always say, it's amazing, June. I love to be friendly. But I realized that sometimes the wording, the version come up by ChatGPT, they included too much of, I wouldn't say it's jargons, but too much of wording that it doesn't seems like it's very direct, all right? Even though I can train ChatGPT to write even more direct, but I feel like there must be a little bit more personal touch from me. So that's why in this current version, before I send out the amazing challenge video, email content, I decided to run a test. What if I can input the emails that are written on my own with a little bit of ChatGPT version and see how ChatGPT can improve my current email copy? And that's the results I'm getting, and I'm loving it. So instead of relying 80% on ChatGPT, I'm just going to improve even more personal touch of mine. Maybe I'm just going to write about 40% and have ChatGPT to improve my 40% and make it to the 100% better emails. So let me know whether you like this test and experiment that I'm doing on my own, because your likes and comments down below is going to motivate me to experiment even more things and to teach you guys whenever I find out really good experiment to share with you guys. So, and also if you are just like all other 400 entrepreneurs that I've met, they wanted to create videos, and you want to be able to create videos just like this, tutorial videos, upload in YouTube, or you want to create your first ever reels in your Instagram, or to just have fun doing live videos, you do not want to miss out this 7 days amazing video challenge that I'm hosting at www.amazingchallenge.us. You can check out the link down below. I'm going to guide you for 7 days and with a proven track record. When you follow my guidance and daily coaching, just about 15 minutes to 20 minutes on a daily basis, you are going to create 7 videos in a week, even though you do not know what kind of content to create, even though you have never done this, even though you're afraid of not knowing what to say in the video. I got your back, because during this 7-day amazing video challenge, I'm going to give you daily guidance and to give you a daily topic each day. And what you need to do is just to answer 3 questions that I posted online and record a video about that. And I promise you it is going to be fun, because that's the testimonial that I received from most of the participants, and they never thought that video creation can be so easy before they attend the 7-day amazing video challenge. So to check it out at www.amazingchallenge.us and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.